So I'm confused. Why is there so much traffic here so early in the morning? It is 8:30 in the morning and the traffic is backed up, baby. Backed up. Where we at? In like Waco or something like that? What is this? What do y'all have going on? My ride was going so smooth. I was wondering why the hell it was only 70 miles or 78 miles, but it said 2 hours. I said 2 hours? That's not even a 2-hour drive. That is a got doggone. About an hour and a half. Why are y'all doing this to me? I'm just trying to get where I need to be. Oh God, I'm a Southern belle. I'm just trying to get where I need to be, y'all. Any Southern belles out there? I'm not trying to. Don't come for me. I'm sorry.
Been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain.
Pretty good. How are you?
You been here with it before?
Huh?
You been here with it before?
No. Thank you.
See the arrow receiving? The arrow straight ahead?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to follow it all the way up this road.
Okay.
To the load docks.
Okay.
Now when you get to the load docks, like somebody show you where the truckers lounge is.
Okay.
Get on the phone with security. Give them your information. That's going to make the paperwork smooth and easy.
What's the phone number?
When you get to the load dock,
They're going to give it to me. Okay.
tell them to show you where the truckers lounge is.
Okay.
And just pick up the phone and just go dial it out.
Okay. Sorry.
No, you're good. Once you do that, that's going to make the paperwork smooth.
Okay.
Come back to the other side of this house.
Okay.
Same way you go, you come back.
Okay.
And the road, you're going to see a gold strip on the other side of this building with the 2 front tires on it.
Okay.
And I'll see you coming. I'll come back out and get you.
That's when I'm done with everything. Okay.
All right?
Thank you so much, sweetheart.
Hang on a second.
Look at my baby looking good. Okay. Thank you. I ain't never been here before. That man said, what time? Child, baby, child, Jesus time. Truckers lounge. Okay, they got a lounge. We like that because I'm early. We like that. So follow this up. Follow this all the way up. The sea was on this side. That's crazy that they have it. That's crazy that they have a train actually in there. Oh shit, where the hell do I go now? I forget the rest of the rules. I forget the rest of the explanation. He said, we're here quite early. Keep left. Do not enter, keep left. You see right here? Keep left, okay? I'm following rules and I'm reading. he said to go where to find this. Oh shit. Where do I go now? Do I park? Got plenty of space to do whatever mistreatment we want with them. Okay. Hi, I just came to do a pickup, but my pickup's not until 12 o'clock. I'm kind of early. I mean a lot early. No, there's nobody here. Okay. Oh, you guys allow early pickup? Okay.
But like I said, just sit tight. There's a chance that they might not be aware that you're there, but I'll see if I can reach out to somebody and get them over there.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Bye. Do we need some oh, there's a human here. Hi.
Hello.
Sorry.
No, somebody, I don't know who put it.
I'm early for my
Okay.
pickup. It's supposed to be at 12 o'clock, but
Where you going?
don't get me to lying to you. We are going. Oh, Lancaster.
Okay. Do you have the BOL number?
Mm-hmm. With no
Good thing you
six.
came early too.
Is it?
They used to all coming together. I hate when they all come together.
Who?
Martin drivers. For some reason, they all get here at the same time.
Oh.
Okay. That's the BOL number that you gave me. The 481
Mm-hmm.
787 316.
Mm-hmm.
Going to Lancaster.
Mm-hmm.
There's your total pieces, total pallets. There's the seal. If you want to go ahead and verify it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Sign the date.
That's the trailer that is in?
Yes. You have it empty, right?
Yeah. You need this?
That's my copy. The rest of them.
Oh. I thought that was mine
Hold
too.
on, let me. What's up?
I said I thought that one was mine.
No, it's mine. These are your copies.
Mm-hmm. I need a signature.
Huh?
I need a signature.
Oh, you want me to sign all of them?
No, just the one is fine.
Okay.
He said all of them. No.
No, you the only one that that's fine.
Thank you, sweetie.
Uh-huh.
That's it?
Yes, and you're gonna take this. You're gonna put it on the last pallet inside. It goes on the last pallet.
Okay.
And you're gonna pick up this phone.
Again. Okay.
Yeah. Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego. We pass it round, hot potato. Everything is nuevo. I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special. You gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing change less you change. What's around you, how you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sink. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane, how'd you play? I'm just playing. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane, how'd you play? I'm just playing. A beat by Jobii, feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi. Cause I'm a star and they can't hold me like I'm Kobe in the fourth. Yeah, nothing is ever forced. We headed straight to the source. No middleman, little man. Let me show you if you was lost. It's a couple college courses, but I ain't finished that shit. Been chasing dreams since 17, so yeah, I've been on my shit. Yeah, we loaded up the vault and had to empty the clip. Remember days we wasn't paid and had to roll up the clips. Now the herbs be extra strong and they come in a zip. People say we taking long, but we ain't rushing with shit. Put the plans in God's hands and he gon' bless us with riches. I ain't tripping over shit because I'm watching my step. Putting money on the phone, could dab and call and collect. All on respect, I can't lie, I'm just here for a check. Just to build my family out and to buy a family house. A lot of people only talking, put your money where your mouth is. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed less you change. What's around you, how you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sink. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane, how'd you play? I'm just playing. What's your purpose, what's your passion?
Oh man, this landing gear is whacked up. See? This is whacked up, man. Okay, so for this trailer, they gave me this paperwork and told me to put the sticky envelope on the last. Wow, you want me to get inside the damn thing? Bro, hold up now. ICU meds. I wonder what it is. Fragile, handle with care. What they don't tell you is that you got to be climbing up on this thing. I'm in a skirt. Okay, they got one load lock in here. I ain't putting it in. Don't you do it. I knew what you was trying to do. You wild for that. Nah, you wild for that. That door really tried to. You can't get the kid. Let's put the low lock up just because, you know, secure is better than unsecure. Okay, that went just fine. Now that I know how to. Ay. Now that I know how to do it. So they said to put this on the last pallet. He didn't say how. He just said to put it on the last pallet. Let me take the seal out. I done crinkled up the paper. Holy shit. Okay, that's how it's going. I'm gonna put it on there just like so. And leave it just like so. That's none of my business after that. We're gonna leave that in there because that stays on. Okay. You want to be closed so damn bad. You want to be closed so damn bad. It's not closing at the top. Okay. This is the seal for them. Seal 4701874. That's that. My seal. And the company do provide you with these big boy locks right here. So yeah, they provide you with these big boy locks. And I really like them because they so damn sturdy and strong. They big boy locks. I ain't got my gloves on. Mama man, look at this. Y'all see that dirty and clean rims? Okay, check me out with a brand new truck, y'all. Can y'all believe that I picked a company that actually gave me a truck that I wanted? Like, I love my baby now. I love her now. Granted, I didn't want her to be white, but the way she be sitting in that sun, holy shit. Ooh. Okay, we fighting for our lives again here. Is this going up? It's not doing nothing. Here we go. Yeah, I believe I got a truck that I actually like. Granted, I still want it to be a blue mountain truck. It just, the essence of the company and it being blue just does something to my soul. But I'm not mad that it's white. She's sparkly. Like, she's so clean and shiny. All her silver parts are silvering. It's given very much girls like shiny things. and I'm a girl who likes shiny things. And when I tell you, I take pictures of her non-stop. Non-stop. I take pictures of her all day. We finna take a picture of her now. See that purple one? That's the color I didn't want. The one I want was like this color. Not this color, but it's like one of these two colors. She just be doing it to my heart.
I'm gonna record some ambience and put it in this track.
Yo. Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego, we pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso, need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful, another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you.
Some memories don't fade, sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change what's around you, how you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you...
Hey guys, so I'm having a little issue. My trailer will not release and this sound keeps coming on. I think my airbags bust, but I'm not sure. So I'm calling breakdown or road assist so that somebody can get out here and come and look and check, because I have no idea. It won't release the trailer at all. I don't know what's going on. It's too early for this. I'm trying to be out of here and done with it. You hear the sound, right? I don't know what's going on. And when I look under the trailer, it is so low. Like the trailer is so low. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Okay, so I spoke to Breakdown and I let them know that there's possibly an air leak somewhere in the truck or on the truck. I'm not sure. But you can see, like when you're outside, you can see that the mud flaps are practically sitting on the floor. I don't know if my airbag bust or if it could possibly be a flat tire. I don't know. It can't be a flat tire because I hit all the tires when I do my pre-trip. It was fine. Everything was fine. I don't know if I hit something. I couldn't have hit something because I would have seen it. Or maybe something got caught under the truck and popped. Not popped, but like pulled something. Something is going on. I don't know. The truck is fine. I don't have real issues with the truck. Just I don't know what happened. I'm lost because now that I'm here, I can't release from the tractor. Every time I try to release, it's still pulling the tractor. The release is not working. And then you can see on the, I'm gonna show you guys. You can see on the dash that the air, he'll start adaptive cruise control. You see like my airlines,
Bad as ever, baby.
my airlines, they not, oh, here goes the sound again, they're not going past 100. And whenever the sound goes off, the numbers start dropping. So obviously air is leaking from somewhere. Whenever that hissing sound goes off, the numbers start dropping. So air is definitely leaking from somewhere, but it doesn't go up like past this, like 105. It doesn't go past it really. And the air, the hissing sound, I don't know if you guys could hear it. Did you guys hear that? Like, that's the sound. Why y'all in my face like that? Like, that's the sound. So I'm not really sure what is going on, but get somebody out here. Can I hear it? Get somebody else to do it, because honestly, that is not my job. Nah, but I'd rather somebody show me what is wrong so next time I will know. I mean, if it's anything under the truck, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it because this truck not finna roll over on me. But if it's something that I can do like a quick fix on, I would much rather, there we go. I would much rather know, that way I know, you know. Update you guys. I'm still here. It's been 2 hours and I'm still here. Whoever the maintenance person is supposed to be, that's supposed to be coming out here, they ain't never came. The man said 45 minutes. It's been 2 hours. They still ain't come. I'm never gonna make it. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So I'm editing a video. You guys should see it now. It should be the Walmart load video. You guys should have already seen it. But yeah, we're still here. Sun finna come out. Sun about to come out. And I'm hungry. But yeah. Excuse me. Okay, time for another update. So I had to call them and ask them like, hey, nobody's came, what should I do? What do y'all want me to do? The man said they're saying in an hour. The man just called me 45 minutes later and said he's gonna be 45 minutes. That's another 2 hours. So I'm sitting here for 2 hours. I'm sitting here 2 hours. Breakdown pay it is. Give me that breakdown pay. Give me that breakdown pay. $6.19, we got movement. At this time, y'all, I done fell asleep editing. I'm over here editing a TikTok. Can y'all see that? And I'm editing my video to post for you guys. It's 6. So yeah, I don't know what to do. It doesn't get over 105 psi.
105?
Yeah. Once 105 hit, that starts and it drops on its own. Now you guys can hear it, what it sounds like. Oh, he back there checking something. Don't know what he checking. Sun's up and everything, y'all. Let me switch to glasses, cause yeah, I can't believe I done went to sleep. Now I got 6 hours to go up there and then come down. Well, no, not really, but I'll keep y'all updated. I'm gonna try to get glasses, POV visual. Oh, it's under the truck. Something under there was busted or leaking. It's a TA truck stop. They use TA for services, but they don't use them to fuel. Selfish. Did you figure it out? I am. Okay. I don't think he heard me ask. Can he figure it out? You see my baby? She's sad. Look at my baby looking good. I done went to sleep and everything, y'all. Did you figure it out?
Yes.
Okay. It's a secret, I guess, because they don't want to tell me. At first, I thought it was the airbags because they obviously have deflated and there's no air getting to them. But no, there's definitely something else. The way my man's crawling up under this truck. Ah. I wouldn't have been able to fix that if I wanted to. I wouldn't have been able to do it. Now I gotta use the bathroom. Okay. PSI has gone back up. Air has gone back up.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Raise down them legs some more, because since it's working, your bags don't went up.
And now the legs went up? Okay. See, I knew the bags were deflated. I knew they were deflated. There we go. Shit, I knocked everything over. Yay! Thank you so much. Is it still messed up?
You always come out that fast?
No.
Not good.
It's been, I've been trying to get it out for the past few days, so it's been in like start going mode. Not few days, like hours. I kept trying.
Last night?
Yeah, to see if maybe I'm doing something wrong, but yeah, what was wrong with it?
Yeah, you must have ran something hit it.
And knocked.
It's just debris. Yeah, it knocked down. They cut the line, but this piece right here is serious damage.
Okay.
It's plugged onto a fitting. I already took the fitting out. So something hit it. So it's just hanging there.
Dangling.
They got different, lines that go through it to go to different things.
Okay. All right, so I'm good to go now.
You're good to go now.
Thank you so much. You too, sir. Now I need to figure out where's the empties. I told y'all, I think I had to hit something, but I didn't. I don't remember hitting anything. I didn't see anything, but then again, it was 4 in the morning. It was midnight, dark as hell. So, but I didn't hear me hit anything. I didn't see anything. And I can't remember, nor can I tell y'all the truth. So don't get me to lying to figure out empty trailers.